Most families have that one legendary story about a relative who was found rearranging the kitchen cabinets at 2 in the morning or trying to walk out the front door in their pajamas while fast asleep. We usually treat these moments as strange, cinematic quirks, but there is actually a fascinating and well-documented genetic thread running through these late-night adventures. If sleepwalking seems to show up repeatedly in your family tree, it's not a coincidence. It is actually one of the most clearly heritable sleep behaviors that scientists have ever identified. To understand why this happens, we have to look at what's going on in the brain. Medically known as somnambulism, sleepwalking happens during deep, slow-wave sleep, usually in the first few hours of the night. It occurs when the brain doesn't fully transition out of this deep stage the way it's supposed to. Instead, you end up in a state of partial arousal where your body can move and perform complex actions, but your brain remains stuck in a sleep-like state. This is why sleepwalkers have almost no conscious awareness and usually wake up with zero memory of what they did. The link to our DNA is incredibly strong. Research involving twins shows that if one identical twin sleepwalks, the other is much more likely to do so compared to fraternal twins. If you have one parent who sleepwalks, your own chances of doing it go up significantly, and if both parents have a history, the likelihood jumps even higher. While there isn't one single sleepwalking gene, researchers have found specific genetic regions that control how we regulate deep sleep and how smoothly we transition between sleep stages. While most people outgrow this after childhood, those with a strong genetic predisposition might continue sleepwalking into adulthood. It's usually harmless, but the real concern is safety, as being unaware of your surroundings can lead to injuries. If this sounds like your family, looking into your genetic reports can actually offer some pretty cool insights into how your brain regulates sleep.